Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to insert auto numbering in Microsoft Excel with a period. Okay, so this is a tip and tricks in Microsoft Excel. So for example, on number 5 you're going to put numbering. So you just simply type, when you type period and then you press enter, you can see at the formula bar you cannot see the period. So to put a period, you can simply right click on the cell address where you type the number and then left click format cells. Okay, then click custom, and then at the type box here you replace general with a period. Okay, then click OK. So you have already a period on your number, but you cannot see it on the formula bar. So that is actually a trick. So this time you can now increment the number by 1 by simply pointing at the fill handle. This one, the mouse pointer where it changes to solid plus sign, that indicates that you can now fill the selection with auto numbering. Okay, so just hold down the control to increment by 1. Okay, hold down while dragging, you hold down the control on your keyboard. Okay, so you can put actually numbers, any numbers that increments by 1. You can also do that in a column. So for example, you type here, you start with number 10. Okay, then you press enter, you do the same, you right click on the number and then format cell, and then you click custom and then replace general with the period. Okay, then okay, so this time you can now hold down the control to increment. Okay, so that's how to put or to insert auto numbering in Microsoft Excel with a period. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated of all the video tutorials, lessons and templates that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching.